Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 515 Allegheny Street front in Jersey Shore, Pennsylvania. As you can see, I'm very excited. This has beautiful modern finishes, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and I'm gonna blow your hair back because it is pretty fantastic. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna take you through this entire place. And then after I do that, I am going to make sure that you know exactly how to make this the next place you're calling home. So let's get started. Okay, we are starting at the front of the property so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood. And I just want to show off this really nice porch. You've got a couple steps to come up here and you've got this here. Now there is a secondary porch. We'll get to that in just a minute. But when you walk in the very front door, you are greeted by a beautiful, bright, and modern space. So this is all your main living area. You can see you've got a couple things separating it. So I would call this your living room. I would say, you can do some kind of a chair over here, maybe even a little love seat. You could certainly tuck a couch into here and then do a centrally located entertainment center of some sort. There's definitely a lot of ways with some creativity that you could really make this space just fantastic and work for what you want. You can also see that there's an auxiliary cable up there, so you could potentially just kind of like make this your media wall, which would be fabulous. You have your kitchen over here, and then you do have this little area here that would make a great space for a dining room table and chair set. I would say about a 5-piece set would comfortably fit in here without, kind of blocking your way to walk around. If you don't need a table, that's great too. Get one of those islands. You have extra storage, and then you have some stools so you can kind of slide them in and out. That is always a fantastic idea. And look at all these cabinets. And I do apologize, I have my coat up here, so it looks kind of messy. Let me just move it out of the way. Look at all the cabinets. I love it. There is a ton. Also, these matching appliances. I love this bougie refrigerator here. You've got full size. I love this beautiful white microwave. And then you just tie it all together with that stove. Now we're going to come right over here. You've got your half bathroom / laundry room. Can we talk about how fantastic this is? Got your washer dryer, you have a storage shelf there, and then obviously your toilet facility and your vanity does offer a little bit of storage. There is also a closet over here. This is a nice sized closet. You have plenty of room to turn this into whatever you want. Coat closet, add a little rack in there. There's a lot of options. Let's pop out here. This is that shared porch that I was talking about. And then when you go down to the yard there, you can kind of see my car in the distance. There's parking back there in the grass. Now let's take it upstairs because y'all, there's more. There's definitely more. I love the landing here and I love this wide windowsill. This would be a great place to have a little plant and all of that stuff. We have an above average width here with the stairwell. So getting your furniture up here is not going to be crazy. It definitely gives you a little bit more elbow room. So coming upstairs, this is the first bedroom. We're right at the top of the steps here. I would say this is suitable for about a twin size bed. It is on the smaller side, but it does have a deep closet. This is probably double the width of a normal, or double the depth, and the width is pretty average. Let's go down the hall here. We're coming to the largest of the 3 bedrooms. This will accommodate a king size bed. You can put your bed over here, and then this would be a great little, actually, put the bed here, bring it out. You could put a dresser right in that nook there. It would work perfectly. Now you can do whatever you want. I just like to give people suggestions. This also has a deep closet. I think this may be deeper than that first bedroom's closet. Come down here to the last bedroom. I feel like you could probably do about a full-size bed in here for sure. It's not as small as that first bedroom, but it's not necessarily even close to the size of what the master bedroom would be. And this also has its own closet. This is just a regular standard size. And then last but not least, we have your full-size bathroom. You have your vanity over here. I love the lighting. And then you have this beautiful bathtub with a nice tall shower head. And then you do have this little space here. So like toilet paper and towels. And then you could put your laundry basket right under there. And you've got a towel bar right there. The way I love the finishes in here, it is unreal. I need somebody to make this their home. So what you have to do to make that happen for yourself is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at our residential listings, find a listing for this property. You can see all the information. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to somebody at the office, we kind of love that because, you know, as you can see, I'm talking. Anyhow, give us a call at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, it is our job to help people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. And guys, we are chomping at the bit to make sure we can help you. So check out the website or give us a call today, because we'll be waiting here to help you make this home.